Hello, and welcome to VDCI CAD Teacher Introduction to InDesign. Throughout this course, we'll break down the uses of InDesign, as well as review tools and techniques necessary to create professional materials and page layouts. This course begins by reviewing the InDesign interface and basic tools necessary in order to create 3 separate business cards. In Lesson 2, we'll also work to create a rack card for a general contractor. In Lesson 3, we'll be developing a ribbon-cutting invitation, as well as we'll begin working on an 8-page newsletter for an interior design firm. During this process, we'll strategize layout, recognize our client's needs, and determine the appropriate design. Finally, in Lesson 4, we'll work to fill our newsletter, determining the appropriate colors, image sizes, text styling, and we'll even create our own graphic enhancements. Students completing this course will finish with a variety of materials, as well as a diverse knowledge of how to implement InDesign for professional or personal advancement. For more information regarding DAC141, Introduction to InDesign, or to sign up for an on-site or online course, please visit vdci.edu.